Hello everyone, welcome to HW News Live. Today we are going to talk about Punjab. Punjab is one of the states that is going for elections this election season, and the Election Commission of India has already announced the schedule for the polling in the 5 poll-bound states. One of them is Punjab, and the election in Punjab will be conducted in just one phase. While polling for Uttar Pradesh and Manipur will be conducted in different phases, Punjab is among the state where the voting will be conducted in just one day, that is one phase on 14th of February. All 117 seats will be polled on 14th of February in Punjab. Now, political parties in Punjab are also kind of active. There is Congress, BJP, there is Aam Aadmi Party this time around, which is coming across as a strong party in Punjab, and there is Akali Dal as well. This time around, we also have to see what the farmers movement, the impact of farmers movement on Punjab Assembly election. But today we are talking about one important development that happened today in Punjab. Politically, it's a very important development. Actor Sonu Sood's sister Malvika Sood today joined Congress party in Punjab's Moga. Senior Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu had reached Sonu Sood's residence, and a picture of the meeting between Navjot Singh Sidhu and Sonu Sood had surfaced on social media as well. The Punjab Congress Twitter handle also tweeted the pictures with a caption that this is a picture of the day. There are some pictures of this meeting where you can see Navjot Singh Sidhu along with Sonu Sood, his sister Malvika Sood, and they are seen sitting and talking about it. Now, if you remember, Sonu Sood had earned quite a lot of praise during lockdown for arranging free bus services for stranded migrant workers. He also became a national icon for helping those in trouble during the pandemic years. So, who exactly is Malvika Sood? Because Malvika Sood is the one who joined Congress party today. Now, Malvika Sood Sachar is the youngest of the three siblings in the Sood family. 38-year-old Malvika has been doing social work in Moga city for a long time, and Sonu Sood's eldest sister Monica Sharma is associated with the pharmaceutical sector and she lives in America. Malvika's father and mother are no longer in this world, but computer engineer Malvika runs a coaching center in Moga, and she also teaches English for free to needy students. She is married to Gautam Sachar, and during the COVID lockdown, Malvika ran free online classes for poor students. So today, Malvika Sood Sachar joined the Congress party. She is among those who does social work in Moga sector and surrounding areas. So she has joined Congress today in the presence of Navjot Singh Sidhu, who is Punjab Congress president, and also Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. Let us hear first of all what they had to say. They conducted a press conference after she was inducted in the Congress party.
इस परिवार ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਸਕੀਏ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਕੌਣ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਸੰਗਤ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਜੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗਣਗੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਇੱਜ਼ਤ ਮਾਨ ਸਨਮਾਨ 10 ਗੁਣੇ ਵਧੂਗਾ ਵਾਹ ਕੁਰਸੀਆਂ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਅਰਸ ਡੋਨਟ ਗ੍ਰੇਸ men and women
ਕੌੜਾ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਯਾਰ
ਗ੍ਰੇਸ ਟੂ ਚੇਅਰਸ ਇਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਜਿਸ ਕੁਰਸੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੀ ਬੈਠੂਗੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਅਹੁਦਾ ਦੇਾਂਗੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਭਾਗ ਲਾਏਗੀ ਇਹ 200% ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਹੀ ਸ਼ਬਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਫੇਰ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੂਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਵੇਖੋ ਬੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਜੀ ਫਲਾਨਾ ਜੀ ਢਮਕਾਨਾ ਪਰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਪੱਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਦੇਖ ਦਾਖ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਵੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਨਾਲੋਂ सोना जिवें 24 कैरेट गोल्ड होंदा ना खरी पार्टी कोई नहीं.
Well, you heard Navjot Singh Sidhu speaking about it. You heard Malvika Sood speaking about it. Now, the most important question is why Malvika Sood joining the Congress party in poll-bound Punjab is a big news. According to reports, Congress can also declare Malvika Sood as the candidate from Moga Urban Assembly seat. And if this happens, then the Congress will not only get the benefit of it in the Moga urban seat, but it can also have an effect on the seats of Dharamkot, Nihal Singh Wala as well. And the reason for this is that Malvika Sood remains active in social services around these areas. Recently, Malvika had distributed cycles to 1,000 students in Moga. Now, the Election Commission of India had revoked the appointment of actor Sonu Sood as Punjab's state icon. State Chief Electoral Office S. Karuna Raju on Friday had said this. The Bollywood star was saying that he voluntarily stepped down as a family member was contesting the upcoming assembly elections. However, the Election Commission said that they had removed him from that post. Now, Sonu Sood was made the state's icon over a year ago by the Election Commission of India, and the Election Commission of India revoked Sood's appointment as a state icon of Punjab on January 4th. However, Sonu Sood had in November had said that his sister Malvika was joining politics, but he had no such plans for himself. He was also tight-lipped about the choice of the party, but today it seems that the choice is pretty much clear. His sister has joined the Congress party. Now, the Congress has made first move in Punjab Assembly election. The model code of conduct has of course been imposed in the state. However, the Congress party has made its first move. Now let us see in the upcoming assembly elections, in the run up to the assembly elections, run up to the polling on 14th of February, which party lines up for other celebrities in Punjab.